My name is Balozi Omwenga. I come to you from the state of Texas. I bring you a trifold message of condolences. I bring you a message of condolences from my family, my wife and children. I bring you a message of condolences from friends of Sabina in the state of Texas. And I also bring a message of condolences from an organization that we also belong with Sabina called Manga Diaspora Group. It is an organization of us who come from that part of Kenya. The pain, the sting of death pierces deep and it's very painful. So, to the children, no words we can speak that can comfort you. But we want you to know, like many have spoken, that the spirit of your mother lives in you, and she loved you dearly and passionately. So does God. To my brother Jasper, before you is a great responsibility. And like somebody spoke here, take time to spend with your children. Pray with them that when they grow, they will not depart from God. To our dad, the pain of burying a child, no words can express. But we ask that God lifts you up together with mom, that you may find the strength to comfort the rest of the family when you go back. I want to thank Pastor Boni Getugi, my uncle, for reminding us that God had no plan for death in his plan for creation. But as the consequence of sin, we see death today. And like Mzee clearly said, Sabina will not come back to us, but it's for us to make it right with our Maker, with our Creator, for we will go where she is. I got to know Sabina through the organization that we belonged together. She was so passionate, a lovable person, a citizen of the world. We became friends by the cause that I do back home through Walter Omwenga Foundation to help the needy and the disabled in the communities back home. That is where her passion was. Her passion was in making a difference, especially in the areas of healthcare. So we developed a relationship, and once a week, she will call me or I will call her, and we will speak for not less than 1 hour. She was a woman of a vision, like you've heard, a leader in the community, and a star, a flower in where she was. So she blossomed, and every time we spoke, our mission was to make our way back home, make a difference, and touch the less fortunate. It never see the light of day, but I say that I must come, I must be here, to honor my friend, to honor my mentor, to honor a sister, to honor somebody we all loved, but who was gone before us. May God be with the family. May God go before us. And we pray that that one resurrection morning, we may all be rejoined and say, Hosanna, Hosanna to the highest. Thank you. May God bless you all.